So for us it is today a day of proof, because we are first time an all-electric show here for us. So you see all the vehicles which are on display have a level of electrification, starting with mild hybrids, full hybrid, plug-in hybrids. And in addition, because we're transforming the company, we want to have on the journey also the customers. So it does mean also our show is a display here in the center, and also on the outside you have the experience bit, so that we give customers an opportunity to go with us on the transition and on the journey. It is hybrid because it is not only the technology which delivers CO2 and gives some level of electric experience, it is also affordable, and that is a key piece, because we want to make sure that over the transition time also individual mobility becomes affordable for our customers. These are the vehicles which are available now or in the next months. We will also progress in the future. So we have for ourselves a commitment that in 2022 more than 50% of our vehicles are electrified. And we believe that we as a company reach a tipping point at the end of 22 where we have around about 1 million electrified vehicles already on the road. So that is our target. The mix of full electric will become more and more over time. Someone already did get our commitment in the partnership with VW. So we will develop from 23 onwards jointly on a common platform, which is state-of-the-art technology. But we will come also with a battery electric vehicle before, but that is something what we want to showcase by end of year. So on the MEB platform, this platform will deliver us the capability together with VW to have enough scale. And scale is it at the end of the day all about, because with the new technology we are delivering, we need to be also then somehow affordable. And if you have scale, you have the opportunities to get all the synergies. And in the partnership, you know the numbers already are shared. We're talking about 1.6 billion of this platform vehicles, which is good, which is 600,000 for Ford with the first product, and more come potentially later.
One of the projects that we'll be involved with in London is looking at how we can use data collected from commercial vehicles to improve road safety in central London. So we connected about 165 vehicles, 12-month trial, and we've looked at the data from those vehicles, overlaid that on historical accident data, and developed a predictive tool that allows highways authorities, planners and other stakeholders to preemptively intervene before accidents happen. What we've been able to do is develop a tool that identifies accident hotspots in the city, so it doesn't wait for the accidents to happen. Through vehicle data and the signals that we can pull off vehicles, it predicts when vehicles are likely to be involved in an accident, where there's an increased instance of accidents, and again it allows key city stakeholders, highways authorities and city planners to intervene, emergency services to intervene, so that we don't have to wait for the accident to happen, that we can intervene at the appropriate time. We've been talking with Transport for London about that specific problem. So cyclists' safety is a particular issue for the Mayor. There's more than 15 people killed on average each year on bikes, more than 100 pedestrians killed in central London each year, which is just phenomenal. And we're looking at how we can use vehicle data to help address that problem and really shift the needle and make a significant change. We've just introduced the plug-in hybrid electric transit van, which is a series hybrid vehicle with a 50-kilometre zero-emissions range. And of course the most important thing is to use that vehicle as a zero-emissions vehicle when it's in the urban centre. And planning authorities, cities are very, very interested in making sure that those vehicles are used in zero emissions mode. So one of the technologies we've developed is geofencing. So all of those vehicles are connected, and we can define a geofence zone dynamically and remotely control those vehicles essentially to make sure they are running as zero emissions within a prescribed zone. As Ford, we're committed to working with cities. It's at the core of our philosophy. We're working with London, we're working with Cologne and Valencia currently, and we're extending to other cities around Europe to look at how we can help. I think one of the issues really is how do we take the learnings from an individual city and then scale those opportunities. So as we develop technological solutions, those solutions need to be shared across cities. Develop a solution in one place, work proactively with the the city in one place, but then make sure that we're disseminating that for the benefit of the greater good. From next year, 90% of Ford vehicles globally have an embedded modem. That's typical across the industry. So we've now got, for the first time ever, vehicles connected at scale, and that provides huge opportunities. We're only at the very beginning of that journey, so it's just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what the opportunities are. But it provides a very, very rich data set, and there's going to be huge opportunities out of that.